Makiria ma macira 20,000 ma tharikira cia nyamu cia githaka nimo mari ruhonge-ini rwa kuramata nyamu cia githaka KWS aria mandikithitie macira maya makienda kurihwo hathara ya makiria ma ciringi birioni 2.1. Ministry ya Ugendi na Uramati wa nyamu cia githaka igithurima na kuriha mamwe ma macira maya. KWS na NIITHIITE ruhonge-ini ruru mathiete na mbere na kwambika mitaratara ya kuhurana na CIIKO ici, imwe ari gwako kwa ngiri cia thitima, matawa, uhuthiri wa drone kuruturura nyamu migunda-ini na micii-ini gatagati ka njira ingi.
Response is always very, very important when you're addressing human wildlife conflict. The local people will appreciate when the team actually gets to the spot on time. Additionally, it's a good record keeping, for example, Earth Ranger and even SMART that we are also deploying, even a conservancy here, SIANA. We keep records and we can track them at any given point. And they are good to also produce maps on terms of doing hotspotting for the conflicts that happen in the community.
Kaunti-ini ya Narok rũriĩ rwa andũ kĩũmbe rwa SIANA, uramati wa rũriĩ rũrũ ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na gĩkundi kĩa WWF Kenya.
We have started seeing more wildlife coming here, frequenting this area. Like before the conservancy was established, we never used to have wild dogs, and wild dogs are indicator species of an area which is well managed. So nowadays we get wild dogs coming here more often, and also we have seen other species coming on here in this conservancy, cheetahs and also leopards. Lions are in plenty, and these other plain game species are in plenty.
Mahĩmbĩirie ũhũthĩri wa kamera cia CCTV gũtigĩrĩra nĩ mamenya kũrĩa nyamũ cirĩ mahinda-inĩ mothe.
And around those areas, neighboring the co-conservation area and the corridor, is where we have installed those camera traps so that we can be able to track which particular species are within this space. The next thing that we are planning to do is now to integrate smart application and Earth Ranger, another application called Earth Ranger, that when they are integrated, we will be able to, once data is captured, it is relayed to the server real time. So there is no other work of now keying in the data in the main computer. So that is what we are planning to do.
Kuringana na afitha munene kuma WWF Kenya Peter Muigai, kamera ici cirekoragwo igitũma mbica thimũ-inĩ cia AIKARI na arangĩri makĩria rĩrĩa nyamũ cia gĩthaka ciaingĩra mĩgũnda-inĩ na mĩciĩ-inĩ.
When it comes to human wildlife conflict, there is another technology we have locally we are calling it MTWIGA, which we want to pilot in this conservancy. And this is a technology that some people will be having mobile phones, and then there will be cameras installed in specific places, especially those that will be identified as hotspots for human wildlife conflict, so that as the animals approach, that camera will be able to take that information, and a message will be sent to the nearby the phone that is near that place, so that the communities can be alerted that maybe if there are elephants or lions or any other dangerous animals coming near the homesteads, they can be able to get that information. The scouts will also be able to get that message, and they will be able to respond on time, and that will reduce incidences of human wildlife conflicts.
Kugerera mubango wa MTWIGA ndegwa tarĩirie ihinda rĩa kũhĩtana na haro gatagati ka andũ na nyamũ rĩrĩa rĩkoragwo rĩa naihenya.
Twiga is a giraffe, and a giraffe in the wilderness is very tall and it can see far. That's why you find a giraffe is usually together with other smaller animals. They follow the giraffe for security reasons, because a giraffe can be able to see an enemy from far. So it is MTWIGA because it's a mobile application that can be able to see very far.
Kameme TV gĩkũhe ũhoro gĩtaũ kuma rũriĩ-inĩ rwa nyamũ rwa SIANA kaunti-inĩ ya Narok, gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.